Hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be discussing a very crucial topic, which is reducing lot size on MT5 trader. So we all know that whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, adjusting your lot sizes can be very essential for risk management and also for optimizing your trading strategy. So if you are less busy, let's dive right in and learn how to reduce the lot sizes on MT5 mobile app. So I will walk you step by step on how to reduce your lot size on MT5. So first and foremost, the first step is to launch the MT5 mobile app. So of course, if you don't have the mobile app, you head straight to Google Play, download MT5 mobile app, MetaTrader 5 app. So having downloaded that, you open it, click and open, click and launch the app. So after clicking, you need to input your credentials, your login details. So when you log in to a broker, so this is what you're going to see. This is how it is going to appear. So on my screen here I have AUD USD. So from here you need to click here. So when you click here, you input your desired lot size. So here we have 0.2 lot size. So you can either sell or you buy. So here we're going to buy. We click buy. So our trade is active. The next step is to click on trade. So when you click on trade, you see your open trade. So here we have only one trade, which is AUD USD 0.2 lot size. So the next step is to click and hold the trade. So when we click and hold, a pop-up menu will appear. So the next thing is to click on close position. So I will click on close position. So when I click on close position, it will take me to this screen. So remember, we're reducing lot size. So let's say for example we want to reduce 0.06 lot size. So when we reduce 0.06 lot size, what we will have left is 0.14. okay, that's what we have. So we'll go straight to it. We'll click on minus 0.01. Remember, we are closing 0.06. So the secret is this: whatever you have on this screen, whatever you have this particular place, this is the amount of lot size that is going to be reduced. We head down to the bottom, you will see close with. So here we see close with loss because our trade is on loss. So if your trade is on profit, you will see close with profit. Okay, so we click on close with loss. Done. So when we close 0.06 lot size, so what we have left is 0.14 lot size. Okay, so another way to do it is this: we go to trade, then instead of clicking and holding the trade, we swipe left. So when you swipe left, you see these symbols will appear. So we are taking the first symbol. You click on the first symbol. So now it will take you to this screen. Now we want to reduce 0.5 lot size. That's out of 0.14 lot size. We want to remove 0.05 lot size. So how do we do that? We go to minus 0.01. Remember, we want to remove 0.05. So here we have 0.05. So when we remove 0.05 from 0.14, so all we will have left is 0.09. So we'll click close with loss. So here we have 0.09 log size. So your thread is now on 0.09 log size. Okay, so let's take another pair. Let's take boom 1000 for those trading synthetic. So open charts. So we want to open a trade. First of all, let's take for instance 0.5 log size. So we are going to take a buy. We'll take a buy. So when we take a buy, our trade is active. So it's either we'll click and hold or we'll swipe left. So let's click and hold, boom and crash. So now a pop-up menu appears. So we'll close position, go to close position. Now let's say for example we have 0.50 log size and we want to remove 0.2 log size, so that at the end of the day what we have left is 0.3 log size. So what do we do? Another way to do it, you can go here, you click on this 0.50. Now when you click, you clean 0.5. Now we want to remove 0.2. We want to reduce this thread by 0.2 log size. So of course you click 2. So we have 0.2. Okay, then close with done. So now we have 0.30 log size. Remember the initial log size was 0.5. Now we remove 0.2. So we are now left with 0.30. So this is how you can easily reduce your log sizes. As simple as that. So traders, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily reduce the log sizes on MT5 mobile app. So if you found our video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more trading tutorials. Happy trading. Until next time.